Hello guys, this is FC Academy. In today's tutorial, we're going to be teaching you the beginner concept of keyframe. And in case you haven't, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share. With following the steps, it will motivate us into doing more tutorial. And also concerning this keyframe, we're creating a course. In this course, that is where you're going to learn the advanced level of keyframe, what keyframe is, the types of keyframe, the use of keyframe, how to apply a keyframe in your Premiere Pro, tips and tricks on keyframe, and so on. Do not forget to visit our store. In our store, you're going to find both free and premium packs. With these packs, it's going to advance your video editing level from a beginner to a pro. Lastly, our Discord page. In this Discord page, you're going to get updated when we post a new course or new tutorials. So what we're going to know first is, what is keyframes? Keyframe in video editing simply means the change of value from one point to another in time. So check out this video which I got from Evan to Elements. You could see that in this video, the use of keyframe is being applied in the position, the scaling, and so on. So next I'm going to teach you is the use of keyframe. With the use of keyframe, it could turn a boring video into a professional video. Keyframes aren't just for complex animation, they are powerful in many basic tasks too, like in changing opacity, which gives you a fade in or fade out in your video, text, or audio. Moving object, which helps you move a clip from one point to another. In zooming in, which creates a dramatic effect, and color grading, which gradually change color for creative looks. So next is how to use your keyframe in your Premiere Pro. The first thing you need to do is go to Windows and select this effect control. With this effect control, that is where you're going to see your motion, position, scale, rotation, opacity, and your applied effects. So next we're going to select our clip where we want our keyframing to be, and this is our clip. For creating a keyframe, all you just need to do is click the stopwatch here and your keyframe is being created in just a second. In case you're in that spot where already your stopwatch is being clicked, just like in your opacity, all you just need to do is click on this add or remove keyframe, and wow, your keyframe is being created. So next, what you're going to do is go to the point where you want your keyframe to end at, let's say here, and the value of your position, let's put it like this. In case you want to go to your previous keyframe or the next keyframe, all you just need to do is click this arrow and automatically your timeline is being moved to the first keyframe. You could also change the value of your first keyframe. So let's make this start at the beginning of our scene. So when we play this, you could see that our clip started from this point to this point over here. And also put in mind that when you create a keyframe and go to the value where you want your keyframe to be, you could either move your clip by inputting a value here or double click your motion, and you could see that automatically a shape is being applied here. And also in the case of adding a keyframe, there are two ways to do that. It's either you move this slider here, or you could either select the number and input a value. And in case you want to create a keyframe where you don't want the position to go like this, which go left or right, you just want the keyframing to be from like from here to this place here, all you just need to do is when you select your clip, create a keyframe, go to the point where you want your keyframe to end at, double click this motion and you will see this in your scene. Then when we go to let's increase the size of this note, and we're going to move this down. So let's zoom out. You could see that this also helps us to create a keyframe. And let me show you a trick in this keyframe. When you create a keyframe and select the position, you're going to see this line. This line could do more than what we see. In this line, we see 4 different points, which is here, 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 and here. If I could drag this point up or down, it will help us create a smooth movement in our keyframe. So let me play this clip again. So when we play this, you will see that our shape goes from like this to this point over here. And for your keyframe, do not forget to set in ease in. With this ease in or ease out, it will make your animation look smooth, dramatic, and attractive to your audience. So we set this ease in. All you just need to do is click in the right button in your mouse and go to temporal interpolation and select in the ease in. So to customize this ease in, what we're going to do is click this arrow, and we're going to see a graph like this. So what we're going to do is drag this place like this and this place like this. No, let's take this back a little like this. This looks much better.